is inverex 2.2 kilowatt repairing, and the fault is 09. Here are a step I already open for saving the time. A step I already open for saving the time. Okay. Output strips, and here is input strips, and this is the cooling fan strips. Please tell me about the video quality. And please tell me about the video quality. The dirty hands, a sign of clean money. Dirty hands, a sign of clean money. And here is a 6 mm nut. We need to open this nut. And here is a one screw. We need to open this. Here. Give on the safe area. And here is for the communication circuit. We need to open this first. And this is the strip. Keep on the safe area. Video quality is not good, but we are trying to solve this issue of video quality. And here is another screw. One is here. And one is here. I am not an English speaker, so I am sorry in advance for speaking wrong English. And why I am speaking English? Because the Urdu speakers or other language speakers don't like this type of works. They like songs and entertainment videos. Here is a two cooling fan. We need to open this or reinstall this. Nine viewers. Thank you for all viewers. Stay for 1 or 2 minutes. First, remove this fan. Don't apply the force. First, we need to confirm the all screws are open or not. Okay. Okay, here is one screw. Remove carefully because on the bottom side is a lot of SMD components. Keep the body on the side, and finally we remove the main board. Okay, now the time how we can troubleshoot fault 09. First we need to check the DC to DC boost section MOSFETs. For better result, I am adjusting the board, and this is the multimeter. Set the meter on continuity mode, and this is the DC to DC MOSFETs. So here in the middle, drain, and right side is the source. Wait for continuity. Okay, this is not short, but why they show the continuity on the gate? Okay, we need to discharge the main capacitors. For discharging the capacitor, you need to 20 watt 5 ohm. Now I am checking the MOSFETs. Continuity is not true. And another issue is source with gate continuity. Okay. Need to check the NPN and PNP transistors. Okay. Okay. And here is IGBTs. We need to check this. I'm cleaning the main board. Don't apply the force. Okay. In this area, for DC to DC section, first we remove the short IGBT, so we can finally know about the DC to DC section. Here is the very fuzzled connections on different topology. Multimeter and IGBTs. Here is the IGBTs. And lightning reflection. This is the collector, and this is the emitter. This IGBT is okay, and the twin is okay. This IGBT is short, as you can see. This two IGBTs is short. We need to remove this IGBTs and install Okay, IGBTs. So you need first open a little bit these two screws, and after that apply the hot air. Set your hot air gun on 480 degrees centigrade. Why I am applying the heat? For carrying the thermopad. Okay, this is enough. After that, you need a flat screwdriver and apply a little bit force. As you can see, the IGBT is separate from thermopad. Okay. After that, open completely these screws. Keep all the screws in one box. Okay. We remove the short IGBT screws and IGBTs. After that, you need to this tool. Remove carefully and take care of thermostat. This is already short MOSFET. Okay. After removing the IGBTs, I am showing you the thermopad status. First, you need to clean the IGBT pin with the help of 2K thinner for dust removing, as you can see. Okay, and after that resolder all the short IGBTs pin. I am removing these two IGBTs with two different methods. First, I want to remove with this tip. Okay, you need to this custom tweezer. If you have not found in the market, you can get the local tweezer and bend it on this degree. After that, keep the short IGBT and this. And here is one method. Don't apply the force and don't pull up, pull down. Once the all fins solder melt, after that slowly pull down. Okay, I remove the IGBT and you can see no any print damage. Now I want to clear your doubts about the PCB prints. I am desoldering the holes for clearing your doubts about the PCB prints. Okay, this desoldering pump is small. I am getting a big one for this. Okay, first you check the PCB prints holes. I want to show you close view. No any print or damage, and check the thermopad status. Why I am applying the hot air. Okay, and the second method is very easy, but you need to this step. Now check this method. Set your soldering station on 380 degrees and clean your tape. As you can see, now I am trying to show you close view. Okay, sorry for unstabilized video. Okay, keep the IGBT and user, and you need to this type of tip. Okay, and melt all the fins at a time. Let's check. This is the very easy method and safe, as you can see. Okay, now I am cleaning the holes. Set your temperature on 400 degrees. The soldering pump quality is very bad, but here is I not found in the market good quality desoldering pump. First, I want to clean the hole with the help of thinner. And now you can see the friends. Okay, now we are installing the OK IGBTs and test the inverter. Wait a little bit, I am getting the IGBTs. Hey, cutthroat. Okay, I get the IGBTs and now I am installing the IGBTs. Wait a little bit. Thank you for all viewers. In this live video, I want to show you how you can check the OK IGBT. First, I am keeping the non-conductor material or remove the control board to show you how you can check without board the IGBT testing method. This is the shoulders. Okay, this is the true IGBT and here is a multimeter. I am adjusting the zoom. This is the emitter and this is the collector. Sorry, this is the collector and this is the emitter. The continuity is true. If the IGBT is okay, let's see. In this time, sorry, First we discharge the gate. We need, this is the one. I am using the pull out IGBT because here is a very fraudfully market, and this is the original ST IGBT GW60H65. Okay, this is another one, resistance. Okay, this is the emitter and this is the collector. We need no any continuity. Once we apply the positive voltage, so now we need to the continuity of IGBT. That's okay. I hope you learn about the IGBT test with multimeter. Now I am installing the IGBT. First I need to clean the bench. Clean the thermofed. Okay, thermofed is clean. And now the time to install the IGBTs. Take care of thermopad. Okay, okay. Now the second one. Apply the force with this fingers. Okay, not on this method. Apply the force with three fingers. Okay, this is my screwdriver experience. Okay, now we need to solder this. Apply the 400 degrees centigrade heat on your soldering station. and check the soldering. After that, you compare the soldering with the company soldering. First, I clean it. Okay, now clean the soldering. Okay, no any print image. Now I am applying the voltages to the inverter. Zoom out. Okay. This is the 24-volt solar inverter. I am applying the voltage. Okay. One thing we forget. See what happened. Still we have F09. It means the DC to DC section is failed. Now we are checking. First we need to check the 450 volt capacitor. Here's come voltage or not. Okay. The fault is still, and now we need to remove all the DC MOSFETs. In the start, I told you this is in the puzzle continuity. Oops. Here is a clear man check. But this is electronics. You cannot find with the eyes. The DC to DC MOSFET source pins is melted and broken. So we need to remove all the DC MOSFETs. I want to remove it with the screwdriver fastly. Okay. the MOSFETs DC to DC section. Apply a little bit force. Okay. Don't touch the heatsink. Okay. Now I am removing the DC to DC section MOSFETs. For this desoldering, you need to K-tip. K-tip. Okay. Set the temperature as on 400 degrees. Here is our first MOSFET. Here, okay. First resolve all the MOSFETs. Pin. Okay. After that, keep infuser and apply a little bit force and pull down. Okay. And the source pin in the PCB. This is the second. And this is the third of A side or B side. And here is all the source pins in the PCB. So we need a sharp fuser like this and hold the source pin and heat it. Okay, this is the source pin I removed. And here is another. You can remove it on the top side. Okay. And here is a third pin. What happened? Okay. We remove all the source pin from PCB. You can check the MOSFET source pin, all in these conditions. Okay, first we need to desolder the holes. For desoldering we need to this step is better for desoldering. This is the source pin and need very high temperature. I'm trying to the with the bigger desoldering pump. It's still not working. Okay, done. I need the desoldering station, but I not found a good desoldering station in the market. And the main market is with the very long distance from us. Don't worry about the PCB friends. Once I remove all the solder, I am showing you close view. Don't worry. This is the source pin and very high temperature required for these pins. Okay, done. The best exercise for fingers of using the soldering pump. Oh, this pump is jammed. But don't worry, I have new another. After live, I clean. Okay. First, I need to clean this. After that, I am showing you the result. I am in the undertalk and over deliver. Okay. First, I provide. Okay. Now you can check friends all is okay. Okay. After that, we need to check the gate drive resistors. Okay. Here is one 10 ohm. It's open. It's okay, but we need to replace this. This is the good decision to replace this. And the second is, the third is too open. And this is the fourth. This is too open. And another side, this is open. This is open. This is open. Okay, we need to replace all the 10 ohm resistor for best repairing. The famous method for removing resistor is this, but With my experience, I am removing the resistors with the help of soldering iron. Set your soldering iron temperature on 380 degree and keep. First I show the close view. Okay, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Keep the soldering iron on the resistor. Okay, and get a sharp tweezer. Okay, I have the hot air gun, but this is damaging the PCB. This is another. Okay. Okay. In the fourth, I am removing with the help of hot air gun. The hot air is the 400 degree. Yeah. This is the easy, but this is heating all the components because this is the air. This is the easy method, but I don't like that. As you can see, the nearest resistor is heated. So I am removing the resistor with the help of soldering iron. Some different methods for removing the SMD components. It's depending on you in which method you are expert. I am showing you all the resistor, friends, don't worry. Once I remove all the resistors and clean it. Okay, we need to do the desoldering wick. Okay. is a one, and here one is here. And one is here. Okay, now I am cleaning and showing you or clear all the doubts. I removed this microcontroller with the help of soldering iron. In the video have I in my channel. You can watch later. Okay? And check the prints. I removed this with the soldering iron microcontroller. Okay, now check the resistor. This is the one. This is the two. This is the three. Okay, and here is I target. But here is the I MOSFET spores and installed three. So now we can check it where we need to install the resistor. One, two, three. One, two, three. And here is what. Okay. Okay, renew the soldering wick. Here is a one. Here is a 12. Here is a third. And here is the fourth. Here. Okay, we need first the DC to DC section driving control driving IC SG when this purchase. Sorry, I speak in the Urdu. SG 3525. But here is a coated, conformal coated. So we need to clean the pin number 12, 13, 14 and 11 in the board. First we clean this pin from conformal coating for best continuity. Oh. Okay. Okay, I am setting the direction to you. This is the SG3525. Okay, and this is the continuity. I need to a little bit zoom out. I need to the one cameraman. Okay, this is the pin number 1. This is the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we need to keep the positive probe on the pin number 12. Okay, for checking the IC internal resistance. The resistance is, first we set the continuity. It's not true. Okay, after that we need, it's 9, 10, 11, here is 12 and here is 13. Okay, so we need to 789 ohm with the pin of the 13. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here is the pin number 11 output here. It's okay, and another one is the pin number 14. It's okay. Now we need to keep the positive probe on the pin number 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here we need to around 600 and something. 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is 11. Okay, it's okay. And here is pin number 14. The IC is okay, but we are checking in the practical. I am teaching you, don't worry. And here is some NPN and PNP transistor. First I read the emitter, collector and base. Okay, in this direction. Here is 2 NPN or PNP. Which one is the PNP? But we cannot see the number, so we can check with the multimeter. $643 It's mean we need to reverse the meter polarity. 666 ohm and 667 ohm. That's okay. And here we need to reverse the polarity. 665 ohm and 665 ohm. That's okay. Here is to another 665 ohms. Need to reverse the polarity. 666 ohm. Why? 666. That's okay. Here we need to reverse 668 and 668. The NPN and PNP transistor is okay. Now I am installing the 10 ohm resistors. Let's check the method. First, mirror here. Okay. First, you need to resolder the one pin. Okay. Here is a lot of resistors. Yeah. Wait, guys. Okay. Here's a 10 ohm and 1206 size. We need to add resistors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check the method for placing the assembly resistors. Oops. Here already you resoldered the one side is one, and here is two. And then the third. And here is four. To solder first. Okay. Now I am soldering another side. One, two, three, and here is the four. Okay. here we need to another. Okay, now I am applying the voltage for checking the DC to DC section drive voltage. After that, we need to check the drive PWM signal with the help of oscilloscope. I have an I installed on my bench. First we check the voltage. I am removing the switch panel from the body because it's very difficult to on off the switch. Because the main power switch in the top cover of inverter. So I remove the switch panel. Oi, सही तो दी साजिद दी जगत दा टाला हुआ साजिद दी जान तदा कटाला हुआ नुकुलाई के कना हाँ आओ Okay guys, keep the multimeter negative probe on the source pin and the positive probe on the gate, and on the inverter. Here is no voltage is coming for drive the DC to DC MOSFETs. Again, I am checking. No, we have no any voltage per drive. I'm checking another side. This is not the required voltage. It's a difficult part. we are checking again. Okay, now we receive the drive voltage, A side or B side, and now I am checking the B side or A side. This is the true drive voltage, as you can see. Okay, now we can install the DC to DC MOSFETs, and want to show you where was the issue of not receiving the DC to DC MOSFET drive voltages. Here I one resistor here I forgetted, and one here, because it's my third time live video and speaking English, so this is my mistake. I forgetted two resistors. The reason is that now the best method is, first we install one MOSFET A side and one MOSFET on the B side. Once the inverter start, after that we install all the MOSFETs. I am using the Texas CSD 19505 KCS pull out. First, I clean the MOSFETs because this is the pull-out MOSFETs, but it's Gen 1 Texas CSD 19505 KCS. Here is a big issue, the components issue. In the Pakistan, sometime I order and I receive the new MOSFET CSD 19505, but once I check it, it was packed printed MOSFETs. After that, I am using the pull out MOSFETs, but original, and the result is very perfect. No any complaint. I am purchasing this one MOSFET approximately 0.7 US dollar in your currency, and if I purchasing the new MOSFET, so I purchasing at the half of this, but it was also fake number. This is the CSD 19505, but this is the best MOSFETs. First, I am checking and applying the voltage on the gate pin and internal resistance. I am checking this with you, and you can learn about how to check N-channel MOSFETs. Once I repair this inverter, after that I want to run a 1.7 kilowatt load on this inverter. Okay, now the time to check all the MOSFETs. Set on continuity mode. Drain source, okay. 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 Now turn to apply the voltage on the gate. Applied. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. This is the method of N-channel MOSFET. Okay. Once I applied the positive voltage to the gate, that's okay. Now I am deactivating the gates. Okay. It's very hard, but we cannot find in our country. Okay. First we check the holes. It's okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. We need to use some desoldering wick. What's going on with me in live? okay. It's okay. It's not okay. Why? Horizon or what? No, 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 no. No, man. What happened? Finally. That's okay. Okay. What's the condition of B side? Okay. 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 Give your review after ending the live. Once end the live, and after that you can your review and your heart are on your video comment section. I am new on the social media and especially live working. People also uploading the recorded video and edited video. We are the human. We can mistakes. Okay. I am tightening the MOSFET. Who are watching, please comment what's your name and who are watching. Only two people watching. Oh, now, now the one watcher I have. But don't worry, after some days, you can check my video quality and camera setup. I am just trying what the value of this working. But I get approximately 20 hours public watch time hours on 4 lives. Sorry. Before the soldering, you need to cut the extra pins. Okay. Don't cut after soldering. For best soldering. Okay. Now I want to show you the close view. This is the source pin, and this is need very high temperature and time. Okay. Now we are applying the voltage. First, I am checking the resistance of gate to source resistance. Okay. Okay. Now I am applying. See what happened. And installing the screen to the panel. Okay, no need. You and me know that inverter start and okay. This is the switch panel. Okay, on. Power. Apply the power, man. Okay, on inverter. We have still issue on the DC to AC section now. First we check the voltage come to the capacitor, the main capacitor or not. Okay, the DC to DC section is ready now. As you can see, this is the 440 voltage capacitor, and this is charge. But now we have the IGBT drive voltage components issue. First we need to discharge the 440 volt capacitor. The best method, my favorite method is that here is the capacitor. Here is still 240 volts. Wow. Don't shunt. Keep some resistance. Okay. It's called smooth discharge. Now what happened? Why? The inverter cannot start and go to the fault. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 0.658. 0.658. Here. Okay. The one IGBT, we have no connectivity with the gate pin. And which one? This is, I think, yeah. So here is the gate resistors, and here is a lot of components for drive IGBTs. First of all, the auto coupler AT350V. Which one? Oops, my multimeter. One. Where? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Here first we need to the gate resistors of this IGBT. This is the one. This is this as we need to connect activity. Here is no any connectivity. This is the first. Okay. Conformal coating makes hard the repairing. And the time is too late, but I want to solve this fault. Here is continuity coming. Here is coming. Here is coming. Here is coming. Now I am checking the AT350V. So keep the negative probe on the pin number 8 and the positive on pin number 5. This is the internal resistance, and this is from the positive. No any connectivity. Negative. What happened? Okay. No any connectivity. This is the internal resistance, and this is no any connectivity for output. The PWM signal. We need to replace 8350. I don't want to hit any more component. This is the reason I am removing and wasting a lot of solder wire. but the hot air gun I am not using in this areas. The reason is heating another components. Ah, this soldering wick I have. Some people subscribing me for enjoy the wrong speaking English. But I don't care. I am just focused on my vision. Especially my friends, my close friends enjoying my wrong English and logging on me. But I don't care, man. Log. Now I am testing an open area 8350V. This is the internal resistance. Yeah, I am true. No any connectivity from negative and positive. Now check the auto coupler IGBT driver 8350V. How you can check with multimeter? I am telling you. Now I know why the English is important. Huh. But we can learn. Just we need to more struggle for learning English. Now check. Now check. Okay. This is the continuity mode. This is the pin 1. This is pin 2, 3, 4. The 5. Pin number 5 is negative and the pin number 8 is positive. So keep your multimeter on diode mode and keep the positive probe on the pin number 5 and negative on the pin number 8. Okay, this is the internal resistance. We need to the resistance from negative 588 ohms, and we need the higher resistance from the positive pin. As you can see, 906. Okay, this is okay, auto coupler. And here is one another. This is the pin number 2 of LED, and this is the pin number 3 negative of LED. That's okay. Now I am installing in this Lio this auto coupler, and let's check what's going on. Oh man, I am soldering the auto coupler pins. Okay, let's check first the position. The position is okay. Now I am soldering. Soldering or soldering? I think soldering. The soldering expert. Where is this desoldering wick? Here. Okay. Little bit solder. Another one tip I am giving you after this operation. Okay. Get a little piece of mirror. Mirror. Yeah. The magic. Okay. And I want to show you an camera like a dentist. Oh, that's really good. As you can see or not. Okay, I want to show you a close view of the mirror magic. Let's check. Okay, let's check. Okay, this side is okay. And now the second, we need to confirm the soldering because this company install SMD components on dip sides. Why researcher makes assembly components, surface mounting devices, and after that they install the surface mounting devices on the BIP areas. How we can solder it and but it depending on the board designing company. Let's check. This is called the true engineering. Okay, here is no any autocoupler or much more components. Here has, but here we can change easily because this is the board border. Okay, now I am applying the voltage and ah, okay man, I am complete my promise and the inverter is start completely and now you can check the output voltages. This is the AC voltage and this is the output connectors. As you can see, this is the output neutral and this is the output line, and this is the multimeter. I am zooming out. Okay, the inverter is on permanently. What happened? I think the fuse. The inverter is started, but yeah. Sorry, this is the input line. The output is here. Input, yeah. Here is output. As you can see, 228 volts. 228 volts, and I reverse the meter polarity. It's pure AC voltage. Okay, and you can check the power consumption. I am removing my mobile phone from holder and check my radio system. It's very hard. check the consumption. This is what 26.6 volt and 0.9 amps consuming. Now I am installing the LCD to the unit, and after that I'm showing you. First I am shutting down the inverter. Okay, now I am installing the LCD to the inverter. And the time is here at 26 p.m. Stay here. I install the switch panel, the LCD, and now I am starting I start the inverter. As you can see, rotating. Oops. Here we have option. As you can see. Okay. This was my experience. I shared with you. And see you next time, because the time is 2 over and I am going to the home. Take care. Bye.